We previously tested PETG filaments, and today, we're evaluating the sealing performance of PLA. Using the same model, with thicknesses of 4, 6, 8, and 10 layers, we submerged it in water under a vacuum to accelerate the infiltration process for better observation and data collection. To prevent the 3D printed model from floating, we added a weight to the bottom. The sealing level was determined by weighing the model before and after submersion. During the test, we observed a small amount of gas bubbles, but this may not necessarily indicate a sealing issue, as the water and the sponge adhesive on top of the weight might also release some gas. The final weight results showed an increase of 0.7 grams, 0.2 grams, 0.6 grams, and 0.3 grams in liquid weight, respectively. The test results exceeded our expectations, and the sealing performance was significantly better than PETG. In conclusion, a 4-layer PLA printed model already exhibits a remarkably good seal.